Is your laptop suddenly refusing to connect to the internet, leaving you stranded? Internet connectivity issues can be frustrating, but many common problems have simple solutions. In this guide, I'll walk you through essential steps to fix your laptop's internet connection. First, start with the basics. Restart your laptop and your router/modem. Unplug your router and modem from power for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches. Next, check your laptop's Wi-Fi settings. Ensure Wi-Fi is turned on and you're connected to the correct network. Try forgetting the network and reconnecting, re-entering the password. Also, run the built-in Windows Network Troubleshooter or macOS Wireless Diagnostics. Finally, if those don't work, consider updating your network adapter drivers. Go to your laptop's Device Manager, Windows, or System Information, macOS, to find your Wi-Fi adapter, then search online for updated drivers from the manufacturer's website. Sometimes an outdated driver is the culprit, and there you have it. Fixing your laptop's internet connection often starts with these steps. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.